Are you looking for high-paying side hustles that are untapped, which you can do online from almost anywhere in the world? Then you need to watch this video, as it's making money on autopilot and you don't need any money to do these side hustles, and you can get started doing them today. Guys, you do not want to miss out on any of these side hustles. So the first one is Universal Human Relevant System, or UHRS. This is a crowdsourcing platform by Microsoft, which is a great company and super legit. However, you will need to go to clickworker.com and apply for any of the following opportunities. The jobs entails data collection, and you could be doing search relevance, image annotation, video annotation, speech transcription, and other different types of jobs. They help people improve their AI, and they pay very well. Payment is anywhere from $5 to $20 an hour, but this is going to depend on your location and the type of job you are going to do. Again, a great and solid company where you will get paid to do simple data labeling. So it's humans helping to make artificial intelligence better. So go ahead and check them out. The second one is appen.com. The company's mission is to help other companies improve their artificial intelligence. And so it's good they do need humans like you and me to help make the software better. More good news is that this can be done from anywhere in the world. And that's where you guys come in. Just go to Appen and go to the top right here where it says join our crowd and click on it. This site gives you information on the different types of jobs. And here's a bit of their resume. We are looking for people from all over the world to participate in some of our many exciting work from home opportunities. These opportunities range from simple surveys that can be completed in less than 1 hour to an ongoing projects that last for months or longer. Leverage your social media interest, mobile device savviness, your college degree in linguistics, online research skill, or passion for images, video, or audio. With so many diverse projects, chances are we've got something for you. And that's coming from Appen itself, and you sure can't go wrong here. Appen will pay you anything from $10 to $15 per hour, depending on your experience and complexity of the job. Up next is modsquad.com. They are a super company where you could make a good amount of money on the side. They pay about $15 to $20 per hour. As a mod, you will primarily be working in customer support, doing jobs such as moderating content on social media, managing social media communities, and everything to do with social media. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. Another solid company, so go ahead and check them out. Just click on Join the Mods at the top right-hand corner. You will then fill in the application, and they have loads of great opportunities that you can do on a part-time basis for a side hustle. Guys, it's safe to say, if you're watching this video, then you're looking for side hustles to make you that much needed extra money. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so, and click on the notification bell. I'm here to help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools. I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income and gain the financial freedom you so deserve. So without further ado, let's dive on into these great ways for you to make money. Up next is studypool.com. Now then, if you're a teacher or a student, or even if you're not, but you have a passion for learning and you really enjoy teaching, then this one is for you. certainly go over to studypool.com because they have tutors making as much as $7,000 per month. What's good is that you can do study pool from anywhere and wherever you want to do so. With study pool, they ask questions on the lines like a forum where people are given the opportunity to ask questions, and it's great that the tutors are the ones responding to your questions. So if the questions are on business or mathematics or programming, then it will be the tutors who are specific in each of these categories, and so they are assigned and responsible for answering these questions for the students. So that's how you'll get paid. So with Study Pool, people are able to take their old assignments and upload them to Study Pool. Now then, for every assignment people click on, you will get paid $10. So it's another way for you to earn extra cash. So if teaching is your passion and you enjoy helping students or learners, then check out Study Pool. They have a range of subjects from accounting, business law, business plan, Excel, humanities, American studies, African studies, animation, fashion, mathematics, algebra, calculus, and geometry. And they have programming science. The list goes on and on. So you really must check out Study Pool. Next, we have InMoment.com. They are a customer feedback management company paying from $8 to $20 per hour, depending on your experience and location. They have some really great opportunities for you to check out. You can do part-time as a telephone interviews, data collection, schedulers, researchers, text analysis. It will definitely be worthwhile for you to get to know the company a little bit, and then scroll down to the bottom. There you will see a list of careers. Just click on that and take a look at the part-time opportunities available now. Next up is ACX.com, who in all actuality is an Amazon company. This platform enables people to do voiceovers for audiobooks, which audiobooks are well sold on Amazon or Audible. When you go to ACX, you will need to do what they refer to as an audition on your computer because they want to hear your voice and to ensure you can read. So if you've been looking to do voiceover work or been told you have a nice voice and you like to read, then this is a perfect opportunity for you to jump in and make some really good money on the side. Payment will vary depending on the length of the book. Also, in some cases, I think you opt in for a percentage or a share. My understanding is the best way to get paid is based on the project you're doing. And bear in mind that some of these books from unknown authors, you may not want the percentage now. However, if the author is selling millions of copies, then yes, you probably want to get in on that. Bearing in mind that ACX is more for amateur and novelist writers who are taking their books and turning it into audio format. So, as an amateur, do go and check out ACX, as this is such a great way to make some extra money as a side hustle. Do you know there are people literally setting up studios in their closet, nothing but a very basic microphone, which you can purchase for approximately $40 to get you off to a good start to voice recording with Amazon. Next up is squadhelp.com, and this is such a great site, giving you a few different ways to make money with them. One of the popular ways is for you to help people by coming up with names for products, for apps, and naming companies. So then, if you have a creative mind, then this is such a cool side hustle for you, and you can also submit logos. And just in case you're probably thinking you have no graphic design experience or you can't do that, then I have the perfect solution for you. For sure, you can go to sites like canva.com or picmonkey.com where you can access their free logo maker and use their pre-designed logos and then submit it to Squad Help and make even more money on the side. They have really great ratings with 4.9 out of 5 stars from 35,000 customer reviews. They are such a solid company and are the world's #1 naming company. So, as you can see, they've been featured in Forbes, Inc., Entrepreneur, Chicago Tribune, TNW, Adweek, Mashable, Crunchbase, and Up. So, go and check check them out and begin submitting domain names, project names, product names, and logo. Now then, finally, this is a side hustle called Amazon Influencer Program, and anybody can sign up to the Amazon Influencer Program to become an influencer. Guys, don't be fazed by the term influencer, because you certainly don't need millions of followers, but you do need like 1,000 followers, which is easy to get on Facebook and even more so on TikTok, which is not hard to do, and you can then apply. So when you are ready, you will be doing video reviews of products that you already have and use, and you don't even need to show your face. You just hold up your phone, start recording and show the product, and then upload the videos. You know that people are always searching for different products on Amazon. Customers then go down to the bottom where the review section is, and if somebody clicks and watches your video review and makes a purchase, great, because you then get paid a percentage. Guys, be patient on this one, as it may take a little bit of time to get started, and because you want to have a good amount of products uploaded. You will start to see a good return when you have around 100 products in there, and you probably have in your kitchen alone a lot more products where you can review. Remember to keep the reviews short and sweet. So now go and check out the Amazon Influencer Program, which is blowing up right now, and it won't cost you a penny to get started using your mobile phone. Guys, I hope you've gotten value from this video, so please, on your way out, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.